Yeah, Basil, closing out the final with a big jump. First two attempt, fall jump, and the third attempt, a big jump. How you feeling today at defending your title?
Well, honestly, going out here, achieving a personal best is very amazing. I'm battling with an injury on my takeoff leg, so it was very hard getting out here today. But I'm just happy that I came out here and was able to execute.
And the first goal to get a point in the 2022 championship. How do you feel?
Well, we actually discussed that around at the courthouse. I mean, it's amazing to see that St. Jago is at the front right now. We're just trying to keep that throughout the whole championship.
All right, thanks very much.